Welcome to Learn English Naturally.
Excuse me, where's gate B47?
You're in Terminal 3. Gate B47 is in Terminal 5.
But my boarding pass says Terminal 3.
Let me see that. Oh, the gate changed an hour ago.
How do I get to Terminal 5?
Take the shuttle bus outside. It comes every 10 minutes.
Will I make it in time?
You should be fine. Boarding is in 90 minutes.
Thank you so much.
Wait, you'll need to go through security again.
Again? But I just went through.
Different terminal, different security checkpoint.
This is a nightmare.
Welcome to international travel, kid.
Is this the shuttle to Terminal 5? No. This one goes to Terminal 2 and 4. Where's the Terminal 5 shuttle? Other side of the road. See the blue sign? Oh no, I've been waiting here for 15 minutes. You look stressed. First time flying? First time alone, and everything's going wrong. What time is your flight? Boarding starts in 90 minutes. You'll make it. Don't worry. I hope so. I can't miss this flight. Where are you headed? Paris for a job interview. That's exciting. Take a breath. You've got time. Thanks. I really needed to hear that. Come on, let's cross the road together.
Is this the line for international flights? All flights go through this security. How long is the wait? About 45 minutes right now. My flight boards in an hour. You should make it just barely. Can I go in the priority lane? Do you have business class or frequent flyer status? No, I'm economy. Then you'll need to wait in this line. Please, I really can't miss this flight. I understand, but rules are rules. This is so unfair. Actually, wait. Do you have a boarding pass showing boarding time? Yes, right here on my phone. Okay, I'll make an exception. Go through priority. Really? Thank you so much. Remove your laptop and liquids. Put them in separate bins. Got it. Thank you again. Good luck with your flight.
Is this gate B47 to Paris?
Yes, but boarding is almost complete.
Am I too late?
Let me see your boarding pass quickly.
Here, I'm so sorry I'm late.
You made it with 5 minutes to spare.
I got lost, changed terminals, everything went wrong.
But you're here now. That's what matters.
I thought I'd miss it for sure.
You're in Group 5, Seat 32B.
Thank you. You have no idea how stressed I was.
First time traveling alone?
Is it that obvious?
I've seen that look 1,000 times.
Does it get easier?
Much easier. Next time, you'll laugh about this.
I hope you're right.
Have a wonderful flight to Paris.
Thank you for everything.
Down the jetway, all the way to the end.
Finally, I'm actually going to make it.
Safe travels, and good luck with that interview.